laboratory, mapping the local ecosystem. And first I will briefly go over why I designed this course and why I wanted to take it. I think you would all probably agree with me that you know more about your cell phone than the worldview, the natural world you live in, and I think that's a problem. This course will expose to technologies and techniques that would be useful in a myriad of different areas of study. So I wanted to take you all into the North Woods, but I can't do that, especially with time. So I want you to take a look at this course and tell me what you can see. Maybe you can tell me that this is fall. To me, what I see is a between 50 and 75-year-old forest with a that was clear cut around that time. Before that, it was about 250 years old. I can just tell you that by looking at the tree species in this picture. And looking at the species composition. That's going to be one of the skills that you're going to gain from taking this class. You'll be able to identify more details about ecosystems than you would currently. And how are you going to be able to do that? Well, the first thing that we'll do is you'll learn how to identify species. You'll do that both by using typical field guides and that we have available today, as well as software that you can see here, that you can use on your phone and on an iPad. Once you identify those species, you'll go out into the field, and we're going to be keeping field notebooks. A very important skill for any scientist to know. And we will be looking at various illustrations and how to illustrate organisms scientifically so that we can collect data on them, as well as other information that we'll find useful. All of this data will be plugged into various programs in order to find the common threads between organisms so that we can understand the interconnectedness of organisms within a single ecosystem. And to make it brief, this course is a project-based course. We're going to be doing a lot of projects, no big tests, but mainly just projects. And you can see a few of them here, including a field guide we will be designing. And in design, which some of you might have experience with. This field guide will allow information to be passed on to the community about the organisms that we find. And with that, if you have any other information, please contact me, and I will turn it over to Ms. Chair.